This right here is $100,000 prop firm account that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. Okay, so it's a challenge account, it's a competition account, and once you get to win, there are prizes that you'll be getting. Okay, as you can see it right here, you can see the competition rules. We have the 5% mass daily drawdown, we have the 10% mass trailing drawdown. As you can see it, we have the 0 minimum trading days. Okay, so you can see the rules that you'll be needing to claim this account. Okay, so this is it. For the first position, you get what, $400,000 challenge account. Second, you get $200,000 challenge account. So you can just go through it. So once you get to win, there are prizes that you'll be getting. Okay, so if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. Okay, so let's go as I show you how to claim the $100,000 prop firm account. And don't forget, it's a monthly competition. Okay, so if you don't claim it this month, you can also claim it September. As you can see it, you can claim it August, you can claim September, you can claim it October, and so on, November, December. So it's a monthly stuff. Okay, so just follow me so that you can see how to claim it. So the first thing that we need to do is to register. So I'm going to be inputting my first name, my last name, my email, then my username, birthday, country, password. Then I'm going to confirm the password. Then I'll agree to all these terms and conditions. And after doing that, I'll click on sign up. But for those that already have an account, you can just sign in. So let's sign up right now. Okay, so I've done that already. I'm just going to click on sign up. Yeah, then I'm going to sign in again since I've gotten my email and my password. So I'm just going to sign in right here. Then I'm going to input my password. Then click on sign in. Okay, so as you can see, this is what the site looks like. We're already in the site. So we're just going to keep scrolling up because it's a challenge account. Yes, we're just going to keep scrolling till you get to the last part. So we're just going to keep scrolling till we get to the last part. Okay, so it's a challenge account and they offer this challenge account every month. Okay, so you can use this $100K to trade. Okay, so we're just going to click on join the contest. Okay, so after clicking on join the contest, you're going to receive an email where your login details will be sent to you. So we're going to be logging in into MT5. So in case you did not receive your details, you can message their support. Okay, as you can see it right here, I messaged their support. So after messaging, you can see it right here. So after messaging them, they sent my login details to me. Okay, so we're just going to be using this login details to log into MT5. So let's do that right now. Okay, so this is my MT5 right here. So I'm just going to be inputting the name of the broker. It's loading, as you can see it right here. So I'm going to just copy my login details. That is my login ID, and I'm going to paste it right here. Then I'm also going to copy my password and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, so after doing that, I'm just going to click on login. Yes, as you can see, I've gotten my $100K prop firm account. That's $100,000 prop firm account, as you can see it right here. So it's a challenge account, it's a competition account. So I've gotten my $100,000 for September. Yes, you can claim the one for October. You can also claim the one for November. You can claim the one for August. As you can see it right here, we're still in August, so you can claim the one for August. You can claim the one for September. You can claim the one for October, November. So you can get it every month. Okay, so this is it right here. This is my $100,000 prop firm account that I can use to trade. Yes, you can trade with it, and you can also withdraw from it. Okay, so do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button for more updates. Thank you very much.